The next person has actually traveled all the way from Japan to be here today. I'm talking about Taiyo Ishikawa. Give him a warm applause and give all the love to him. Welcome up on stage, my friend. Here we sit. Applause all the way. Yes, and then you press this one here to take the next slide. Yeah. Yes.
Hi. Konnichiwa. This is a typical greeting in Japan. So today, I'm Taiyo Ishikawa. I'm a graduate student in Hiroshima University in Japan. So today, a lot of transport development projects are in progress in the world. In Japan, we are now constructing the linear motor car. It's kind of high-speed operation transportations. And in Indonesia, for example, the new highway and the subway are under construction in collaboration with Japan. And thanks to the development of transportations, we can access to many places and more opportunities. And it is normally taken for granted that everyone can get the benefit from transport infrastructures. However, our research has demonstrated that only certain kind of people can get the benefit from transport infrastructures because of the way of the project evaluations. So today, I will present the research about the difficulties and the problem of currently used project evaluations, especially from equity aspect. So, please remember the fact that transportation infrastructure is typically developed with the public investment from citizens or the aid from other countries or bank agencies. Therefore, we should utilize the invested money appropriately for the transportation infrastructure development. Therefore, the project evaluation is typically conducted to analyze the validity of the project before it starts. It means project evaluation plays quite important role for deciding the appropriate transportations, and it will affect the future situations of the city and our lives. And the most popular approach of project evaluation is comparing the estimated benefit and estimated cost in monetary terms. And there are a variety of benefits that we can receive from transport infrastructure, such as saving travel time, reducing CO2 emissions, kind of environmental dimensions, and also the reductions of the traffic accident safety dimensions, and the expansions of travel distance, and the improvement of accessibilities. And also we have to consider about the cost for the constructions and management. So this is the overall mechanism of project evaluations. But there is a problem in actual implementations. That is, only travel time saving has been used in many countries as the project evaluations. This is a problem because, as many researchers emphasize, that relying on the single indicators can cause the equitable issues, which means only certain kind of people can get the benefit from transportations. However, there is not clear evidence about the claim. Therefore, we decided to explore the issue in detail. And then, we analyzed the effect of currently used project evaluations in 17 cities in the world by focusing on the associations between living standards and travel time expenditures. So this is the result of the associations, and it's clear that most of the cities shows the positive correlations between them. And it's much clearer if we focus on two cities as examples. Like travel time expenditure tends to go up as living standards goes up. And we calculate the living standards by weighted aggregations of socioeconomic factors, such as income or education level of the ownership of private vehicles. So as a conclusion, suppose there are several transport projects in developing nations, and if travel time saving is the only benefit in project evaluations, the transport mode which emphasizes high-speed operations will be selected, even if many people cannot afford to pay it because of the expensive fare. And as a result of our analysis, it shows that the people with low living standards allocate less time for traveling, but people with high living standards can allocate more time for traveling because they cannot access to many places and they can get much trips comparing to low living standard people. And this suggests that the people with low living standards cannot get much benefit from transport investment. while the people with high living standards can get more benefit from transport investment. Therefore, if we continue these project evaluations, it might widen the gap between rich people and poor people. Based on these discussions, we should reconsider about the project evaluations, such as considering multiple benefits in the evaluations, including social benefit, like the improvement of accessibilities, such as education or occupations. I hope this study will contribute to the constructive discussions about the appropriate project evaluations, especially from equity aspect. And it might be interesting if you find what kind of indicators are used in the project evaluations in your countries. Thank you.
Thank you so much. High five on that one. Is it arigato?
Arigato, yeah.
Arigato. They are really good up here. The Japanese, studying Japanese or something.
Wow, great.
So arigato for this presentation.
Arigato.
How did it feel doing the presentation?
Nice, that's amazing.
Yeah, arigato. 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 Can everyone say arigato on 3? 1, 2, 3. Arigato. Thank you so much. One applaud one more time, and I can take this from you.
Okay.
Thank you, Taiyo, so much.